Today I'm gonna show you how I went from this to that. So for a while now, I knew that I need more art space so I can put away my art stuff, because I had no stuff, no shelves and no drawers and nothing to put my art stuff in, art supplies and everything I need for my creating, because the greenhouses took all the space away. So before you ask yourself what greenhouses, I got a little bit obsessed with tropical houseplants during the pandemic, and I have started to collect rare tropical plants, philodendrons and anthuriums. As I said, during the pandemic, and I had art block and I was home a lot, and yeah, it just took over. And I really like tropical plants still. I like all the plants and the trees, and I'm also making a hybrids, and I am also like making new baby anthuriums with pollinating my older ones and then making new babies from them. So yeah, I love it. It's my passion, it's my favorite hobby. But I needed to prioritize some stuff in my life, and I need to prioritize my art, because the art is the most important thing to me and I need more space for it. So I have decided I needed one more shelf thing to put all of my art books, all of my packaging stuff, and everything like that, my sketchbooks and stuff on there. And then I need a small drawer, like, you know, to put away my other art supplies and stuff. So everything will have its place and it will be spacey and open, and yeah, I will just have the space to create in freely. So yeah, let me show you how I set up my brand new decorated and organized art space, and I hope you enjoy this video. So me and my best partner went to IKEA and bought some new stuff that I needed, some shelves and stuff, and this is the condition my art space has been. You see that the greenhouses are just taking over. Here I'm painting in my cluttered painting area, and I don't have nowhere to put my supplies. You see the packaging stuff on the right there, just stuck between the greenhouses and the wall, and the plants there are just on the floor sitting on some cardboard. And the pictures on the wall, you see how much space is between them, and they're just not proportionally put on the wall. I am so happy I have my art space, but I really wanna make it more cozy and spacey, and I wanna have a place for my stuff. Here I'm just cleaning some shelves and some stuff. My best partner is helping me with those thingies on the windows so the neighbors won't see me inside. And that is just the paintings I am painting at the moment. Works in progress. My partner really helped me with everything technical. I am so not a technical person. I can do it if I really try, but if I have someone that is better at it, I really let myself not do it. So I needed to figure out where to put all of my plants. how to put them in only one greenhouse, which ones can go outside of the greenhouse and I can put them through my apartment, and which ones need to be in the greenhouse. During the process, me and my partner decided that we are gonna only leave one greenhouse, and he just made one big one from those 3 smaller ones. I could not do that, honestly. And this IKEA stuff, I know it's supposed to be easy, but thank God for him. I cannot stress it enough. Hi, so it's 11 and 10 minutes at night, and we finally installed, the furniture, the new cupboards and everything. So it's here. I'm so sleepy. So tomorrow I'm gonna organize everything, and we also made this one big greenhouse from the 3 smaller ones, and yeah, I'm gonna organize everything tomorrow. So here you can see my only two cluttered drawers and the new big greenhouse that is just beside the window, so the plants really have enough light now. In those 2 boxes, I just put some packaging stuff. I reuse all my packaging stuff, plastic and the paper stuff. And here is my partner again helping me to put those thingies on the bottom of the shelf so the floor doesn't scratch. And here I'm deciding how I am gonna organize everything. Where I'm gonna put everything, where is the optimal place, and the prettiest place to put stuff. I like the balance of optimal and pretty. So the old way to clean everything up is just to put everything in the middle of the room on the floor and then start to put things where they belong from the scratch. Here I'm putting my books and old sketchbooks and stuff on the shelves. I can now put all of my painting art books in my art space, so I am really excited to do that. Here I'm putting a bit of paints in one new drawer because this trolley was so heavy from all of the paints that it was very clumsy to scroll around. So yeah, I'm really happy that now it's more light and I have art supplies in the drawers and not everything is on the trolley. Here I'm gonna organize some more art supplies in the drawers and the canvases. I also got the new jar for my brushes. I really gave myself a treat. I haven't had a new brush jar for probably 7 years, and it was fresh from the pickles this morning. Of course I cleaned it. I don't want my brushes to smell like pickles. So here I'm just finishing up some stuff, and I'm feeling good about it. So the thing that is yet missing are the fairy lights. I want them in the background of my time lapses and above the windows right there. So I'm gonna put them on tomorrow and stick around to see the final result of this makeover. And yeah, right now I am just painting, or should I say putting the final details on this painting, which is called Meadow of Memories. Here is my palette. Now I have this lamp uh, putting lightning on this palette, and it's very nice. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm so tired. So the thing that is missing are the lights, and now I'm gonna install them. Okay, this is definitely not the best, but it's better than no lights. As you see, I am seriously clumsy, and that was quite a challenge for me. Usually my partner puts those lights for me, but he didn't have time, so I have decided I will take on this dangerous challenge, and yeah, I did it. I hope it will look better when they are lit on than they look now, because now they look quite Let's do the final review, and you guys can judge how I did. Oh, wait. There's a button. Okay. Well, not the best, but it's pretty, right? So that was it. That was my video, my time lapses, the stuff I filmed during this weekend slash a little bit over the weekend. There are a lot more videos coming now when I have a lot of space and a lot of things to create. I hope you enjoy this video. Now I have my space and I am very happy with it. I have been painting in it for 2 days now, and it has been a blast. Like, all the things have their places and everything is just so spacey, and yeah, even plants have enough room to be in the greenhouse if they need to be there. And some of them are just around the house now because they don't really need the greenhouse environments, and yeah, they're even prettier that way. So everything is good, everything is nice. I hope you enjoyed, and now that I have a lot more place and a lot more creativity and ideas flowing, I'm gonna make, or I'm already making, but I'm gonna continue making a video every Friday. So you can consider subscribing to this channel of mine, and you can like this video, give it a thumbs up, and that way you can support me. You can also check out my Instagram, where I post everything that is going on, works in progress, everything. And you can also check out my website, where I have my active portfolio and where you can write me inquiries. And you can also check out my Etsy shop, where I sell my original paintings, my stickers, and soon I'm gonna also sell prints very, very soon. Exciting things are coming, and I'm very excited. I'm happy. I feel gratitude. And sometimes I'm also sad. So, the balance of all the things. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my new art space, and I love it. Have a good one. Keep arting. See you again next Friday. Bye, guys. Oh, wait, I'm gonna show you the final result now. So I had this rug, but I couldn't put it in this art studio because it was not enough space because of the greenhouses, and everything was always dirty from dirt and everything. And now finally I can have my most precious rug right in my art space. Even the pingos like it so much.